For today's video mga amiga, maghimo ta og pandikoko. So kaning pandikoko, it is really one of my favorite bread from the Philippines. So it's really harder for you to find here in America. So for you to have this, kailangan ikaw na lang ang maghimo kay mahal man ni siya sa Asian store. So first thing is to make a dough. So for the dough, I have 1 cup of milk. Preheated na siya for about 100 degrees Fahrenheit. 3 tablespoons of sugar or honey. 1 pack of yeast. The small pack, what I mean. Or a 2 tablespoons. And for the flour, I added 2 bread flour and 1 1/4 all-purpose flour. 1/4 melted butter, 1 large egg, and 3/4 cup of sugar. If you want to make it tasty, you have to add 1/4 powdered milk and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So, muna siya ang mixture sa dough. And then, for the fillings, I used butter, sugar, grated coconut, and vanilla. And then, you have to preheat in imuhang oven. And, for 10 minutes, diba? It will be on 356 or 360 Fahrenheit. And you have to bake it for about 18 to 25 minutes. That's what I did for my pandikoko, guys. So, as in, nag-grave jud kog mga pan nga sa Pilipinas ra nato siya pwede paliton, pero here naaman gihapon siya, but it's a little expensive, so why not make it, diba, to save money and to save time.